This short is on the January 1982 issue of Street Chopper Custom Cycle. The exclusive of Harley's finest ever, the fast and smooth FXRs. On his 82 lineup. And the spiffy chopper here with the blonde. And inside the front, we have this nifty Harley chopper with a different blonde. It's Outback West Coast Customs, Stanton, California. Our center spread is that blue one off the cover, which it looks cool, but it's not really what you'd call a rider. And we have the wedding wagon, which is a kind of a nifty trike. And last